If you're tired of the rat race and looking for ways to make money online, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 profitable ways you can start earning money online. So let's get started. First up, we have freelancing. This is a versatile option to turn your skills into income. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to showcase your talents. To get started, create a standout profile that highlights your skills and experience. Browse projects that match your expertise and submit tailored proposals. Over time, build a portfolio to display your best work. Let's talk about the benefits and drawbacks. The benefits are that you get flexible work hours, varied projects, and the potential for substantial earnings. The drawbacks are that your income can be irregular, and yes, the competition is also high. Next, we have blogging. Share your passion and earn money by creating a blog focused on a topic you love. You can monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Start by picking a niche that interests you and create your blog. Remember, building an audience and income takes time, but it can be a great source of passive income. Let's talk about the benefits and drawbacks. The benefits are, well, it's a great source of passive income for you. But the drawback is that it takes time to build an audience and start earning. Want to make money without creating your own products? Affiliate marketing is your answer. Promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale you drive. To get started, join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Your earnings will depend on the size and engagement of your audience. Let's talk about their benefits and drawbacks. Benefits are that you get passive income and there is no need to create products. The drawback is that your earnings depend on your audience. Online teaching is another fantastic option. Share your knowledge on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable, or tutor live with VIPKid. Discover your teaching superpower and turn your knowledge into engaging course content. It's a great way to reach a global audience and earn passive income. Let's talk about their benefits and drawbacks. The benefits are that you get flexible schedule and global reach. The drawbacks are that your initial setup can be time consuming and income is tied to course sales. E-commerce is a booming field. Whether you're selling physical or digital products, platforms like Shopify, Woocommerce, and Etsy are your best friends. Select a niche, set up your online store, and start selling. While it requires some initial investment, the earning potential is high. Let's talk about their benefits and drawbacks. The benefits are that you will see high earning potential and a scalable business model. The drawback is that it requires initial investment and a competitive market. Got an eye for photography or videography? Sell your visuals on platforms like Shutterstock and earn royalties every time they're used. Curate a collection of high quality photos or videos and register as a contributor. It's a great way to earn passive income and get exposure to a global market. Let's talk about their benefits and drawbacks. The benefits are that you get passive income and global exposure. The drawback is that you need some equipment to get started. If you love creating videos, YouTube is the place to be. Share your talents, build an audience, and monetize your content. Sign up on YouTube and start your journey as a YouTuber. Keep in mind that consistent content creation and viewer engagement are key to success. Let's talk about its benefits and drawbacks. The benefits are that you will get potential for high earnings and personal branding. The drawbacks are that it requires consistent content creation and success depends on viewer engagement. Remote work is on the rise, offering you the chance to work from anywhere. Many companies now offer remote positions in various fields. Look for remote job listings on sites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs. Prepare for virtual interviews and you're good to go. Let's talk about their benefits and drawbacks. The benefits are that you earn a stable income and work with established companies. The drawbacks are that it may require specific qualifications and offers less flexibility compared to freelancing. Want to make some spare change? Participate in online surveys and market research. Companies are eager to hear your feedback. Sign up for platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. It's an easy way to earn some extra cash. Let's talk about their benefits and drawbacks. The benefits are that it's easy to start and has flexible schedule. The drawback in this is low earnings and that it can also be time consuming. Lastly, investing and trading online can help grow your wealth. There are various investment options including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and real estate. Choose an investment platform like Robinhood or Coinbase and start your investment journey. Remember, there's a risk of losing money, so invest wisely. Let's talk about their benefits and drawbacks. The benefit is that you will have great potential for substantial returns and diverse opportunities. The drawback is that it's a risk of losing money. And there you have it, 10 profitable ways to make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. See you in the next video.